Part 4 reveals 3 brilliant kitchen tools that save time, reduce effort, improve results, simplify cooking, and upgrade kitchens.
Get professional-looking results quickly and effortlessly. One smart tool for peeling, slicing, and creating perfect Julienne strips. Built from durable stainless steel for long-lasting performance. Prepare vegetables faster and make cooking easier than ever. A must-have tool for every modern kitchen. Order now from eBay. You'll find the product link in the first comment and video description.
Enjoy fresh, evenly crushed garlic with almost no effort. Made from durable stainless steel for long-lasting performance. Simple, efficient, and easy to use whenever you cook. Prepare ingredients faster and make cooking more enjoyable. The perfect kitchen tool for every home chef. Order now from eBay. You'll find the product link in the first comment and video description.
Enjoy perfectly smooth mashed potatoes in seconds. Strong stainless steel construction built for daily kitchen use. Uniform holes create smoother and more consistent results. Perfect for potatoes, sweet potatoes, pumpkin, and root vegetables. Comfortable to use, easy to clean, and convenient to store. Save time and get delicious results without electricity. Buy now on eBay. Link available in the first comment and video description.
Love smart kitchen discoveries? Subscribe to Smart Kitchen Picks, like this video, and never miss amazing gadgets, tips, reviews.